Unusual and rarely, the only fighter aircraft stored in Russia, restored, and conducted successful test flights. Viral footage on social media on May 8, 2024, shows a well-preserved Soviet I-16 aircraft that has been specially restored to take part in a military parade commemorating the 79th anniversary of Victory Day over Nazism in the Great Patriotic War. Judging from its appearance, one cannot imagine how capable it was of fighting, and the destruction it caused during the war, where pilots only had machine guns, unsynchronized, mounted on the wings as armament until later models were equipped with drop bombs. However, victory has been achieved by Russia. The I-16 is the remains of a plane that crashed near the Finnish border in mid-1941 and was discovered in 1992. This adorable, historic plane took off now, and took off at the Victory Parade in the skies of Novosibirsk on May 9 for the first time, and a pilot is in charge of carrying out the flight. Reportedly, the Victory Day military parade took place in Red Square, Moscow at 7 GMT. More than 9,000 military personnel, more than 75 weapons and military equipment, will take part in the events, marking the victory of the Soviet people in the War of 1941 to 1945, and the end of World War II in Europe.
Удачно, все прошло хорошо. Самолет цел, летчик жив. Задача выполнена, да, так что нормально. Для его возраста, да и для моего тоже все очень.